If you're thinking of doing CPA marketing, the best way, one of the best options is using Max Bounty. So you need to click on the Max Bounty. It's the industry leading performance marketing. So you can see that you can actually advertise, and whenever you sign in with Max Bounty, you can see the new campaigns, top trending, suggested for you. And now this is the many things that you need to understand. That is, you can have an offer like this, Let's Keto Capsules. Okay, so you can see Let's Keto Capsules up here, which is pretty much awesome. So you can see that this is the allowed countries are Australia and New Zealand, and how much you're going to be making is very simple. You are going to be making like $100 per lead, which is pretty much awesome. Now let's understand this thing, that how you can actually promote this. Very simple. So you need to actually request approval to run. So you simply need to click on to here as a request approval, and then you need to submit. So they're asking how many leads, how many existing campaigns, creative. So you can basically copy and paste everything. So the first thing is to go on to YouTube, and after that you need to click on to these things that you simply need to write keto diet, that I have written like this. So you can see keto diet up here, and after that you need to search onto the basis of these ones. So you can see 3 years ago, and so the views are in millions basically. So now you need to filter it by this month, and then you will be able to see. And if we go on to by the view count, then we will be able to see that this thing is getting 602k, 84k, 75k. Basically people are getting in thousands. For example, if you need to make like video like 40k, okay, if we go on to calculator, so if we think about it like this, that 40,000 minus 90% of the population for this month, so it's like 4,000 people. And if we have $100 per lead, okay, so if they are from Australia, New Zealand, then you can actually make something around 400k really easily with the help of that. Now, how to make videos? Very simple. So to make videos like this, you need to click on to Google, and after that you need to choose ketogenic diet. And whenever you do that, this is gonna be really amazing. Now think about it like this. So you can see basically the ketogenic diet, what is ketogenic diet, how to eat it, and what are the basics. So if you don't know anything, just like me, so you simply need to copy it. Okay, so let's copy this thing up right now, and you need to go on to here on Pictory. Okay, so before that, if you have money to start, I would definitely recommend to use a thing called writer. Okay, so what is going to be happening is you need to click on here, and after that you will be able to write. AI based software is going to be writing all of your copy so that you can actually use it. And whenever that happens, now the most important thing is you are taking this ketogenic diet, you copy this thing, you go on to Pictory, and you can name a file like keto, and after that you need to paste it. Okay, so you need to paste it, and you need to remove this trusted source thing, which is very much important right now for you. Okay, so if you're using writer, you're not going to be getting any of that. Now here's the detailed beginner's guide to keto diet. Okay, so after that you need to choose another line if you want to do it. Now you get some ketogenic basics like this one. Okay, so you got some benefits. Let's close this up. Perfect. And after that you can actually paste this thing also. Now whenever you have done that, you can easily see that it is being done, right? So after that you need to simply go on to proceed. It is being made now, your thing is being done. What you need to do is very simple. Now you need to choose a style like this. For example, you need to select into 16:9 and continue. Now it is gonna be making its AI gonna be using its own power to make awesome videos for you, and you do not have to make anything. Now we need to wait for like couple of minutes maximum so that AI actually makes our videos. So right now we can see that our storyboard is getting prepared and it's gonna be taking just 30 seconds more. Now we can see that the ketogenic diet is almost ready. So you can see the video is ready for us and it's gonna be like 1 minute 30-second video. You can see up here it's a 1 minute 30-second video. Now you simply need to do what you simply need to come in here, and after that you need to click on to generate, and whenever you generate the video you go on to here, you click on create and upload video, and now you need to put the link and you can actually make money like $10,000 to $20,000 really easily just by using the copy paste method. And after that, whenever you do that, your video is done. You are ready to make money online real easily.